In recent days, excitement has surged in the realm of space exploration as NASA launched two significant missions aimed at enhancing our understanding of the Moon's resources, particularly water. On February 26, 2025, NASA's Lunar Trailblazer orbiter and Intuitive Machines Athena lander lifted off from Kennedy Space Center, marking a pivotal moment for lunar exploration as the agency prepares for future human presence on the Moon. The Lunar Trailblazer, designed to map and analyze the distribution of water across the lunar surface, is a part of NASA's ongoing efforts to establish a sustainable human presence on the Moon through the Artemis program. According to Nicola Fox, Associate Administrator for NASA's Science Mission Directorate, "That's another exciting thing for us as we get more science into space with one launch. The mission aims to provide crucial data on the Moon's water resources, information vital for future astronauts who may rely on local resources for survival and fuel." However, just hours after its successful launch, Lunar Trailblazer experienced technical difficulties. Initial reports indicated intermittent power system issues that led to a temporary loss of communication with mission controllers at the California Institute of Technology. Fortunately, contact was re-established and efforts are underway to diagnose and rectify the issues. If successful, Lunar Trailblazer will spend at least 2 years observing the Moon, focusing on the presence of water in both sunlit and shadowed regions. Meanwhile, Athena is set to land on March 6, 2025 in Mons Mouton, a plateau close to the Moon's south pole. This lander will deploy a NASA instrument designed to drill into the lunar surface and search for evidence of frozen water. In addition to this drilling apparatus, Athena carries a propulsive drone known as the Micronova Hopper, which is intended to gather data from nearby craters, further enhancing our understanding of lunar resources. Recent findings have challenged the long-held belief that the Moon is devoid of water. Evidence of ice in permanently shadowed craters has emerged since the mid-1990s, leading to groundbreaking discoveries about the Moon's hydrological potential. As NASA's Artemis missions aim to return humans to the lunar surface, the presence of water could significantly ease future settlement efforts, providing essential resources for astronauts and enabling the production of rocket fuel. However, questions remain about the form of water that exists on the Moon. Research indicates that it may exist as ice adsorbed onto mineral surfaces, or even as hydroxyl, a slightly different molecular structure that requires energy-intensive extraction processes. The Lunar Trailblazer is equipped with advanced instruments capable of distinguishing between these various forms of water, a crucial step in understanding how astronauts might harness lunar resources. As NASA embarks on these missions, it's clear that the agency is at a transformative crossroads, facing both opportunities and challenges. The integration of commercial partnerships, as seen with Intuitive Machines and SpaceX, exemplifies a burgeoning era of collaboration in space exploration. These partnerships not only reduce costs but also encourage innovative approaches to complex challenges. Looking ahead, the success of Lunar Trailblazer and Athena could lay the groundwork for a new chapter in lunar exploration. The data gathered will not only inform upcoming Artemis missions but also shape the future of human presence on the Moon and beyond. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of our nearest celestial neighbor, the potential for sustainable lunar exploration is becoming increasingly tangible, and with it the hope for humanity's future in space. In an age where space exploration continues to capture the imagination of millions, the International Space Station (ISS) remains at the forefront of scientific research and human endurance in the cosmos. On February 28, 2025, NASA's Expedition 72 crew engaged in critical exercise research aimed at combating the effects of weightlessness on the human body while also preparing for an important cargo delivery set for the next day. This dual focus highlights both the ongoing challenges of long-duration spaceflight and the collaborative efforts necessary for successful missions. The ISS, a symbol of international cooperation, serves as a unique laboratory for studying how the human body adapts to life beyond Earth. With the recent undocking of the Roscosmos Progress 89 cargo craft on February 25, the crew was particularly focused on maintaining fitness and conducting experiments that could significantly enhance astronaut health during extended missions. NASA flight engineer Nick Hague led the charge by participating in 2 experiments that measure the physiological impacts of exercising in microgravity. Equipped with a sensor-packed vest and electrodes, Hague monitored critical health data while exercising on a cycle, providing invaluable insights to ground-based medical teams. Understanding how to maintain muscle function and cardiovascular health in space is essential for future exploration missions, Hague noted. This research is particularly relevant as NASA sets its sights on more ambitious goals, including potential missions to Mars, where long-term health and performance will be crucial. In addition to fitness studies, the crew also engaged in spacesuit maintenance, which is paramount for ensuring astronaut safety during extravehicular activities. NASA astronauts Butch Wilmore, Don Pettit, and Suni Williams were busy with housekeeping duties, including the upkeep of life support components and the preparation of scientific equipment for ongoing experiments. This routine maintenance is crucial as it allows the ISS to function smoothly and supports the various international research projects underway. Meanwhile, anticipation builds for the arrival of the Progress 91 cargo spacecraft, scheduled to dock with the ISS on Saturday, March 1. Carrying approximately 3 tons of supplies, food and fuel. Cosmonauts Alexei Ovchinin and Ivan Vanner will monitor the spacecraft's approach, ready to intervene if necessary. This delivery is part of an ongoing effort to sustain the ISS operations, which depend on regular resupply missions to support the crew and their research. As Earthbound observers look forward to the upcoming cargo delivery, the broader landscape of space exploration is also evolving. With the successful launch of multiple missions in February, including SpaceX's ambitious plans and the European Space Agency's Hera mission, March promises to be a busy month for space enthusiasts. NASA's Europa Clipper spacecraft is set for a critical gravity assist maneuver on March 1, a pivotal step toward its ultimate destination of Jupiter's moon Europa, which is believed to harbor conditions suitable for life. Moreover, the anticipated return of NASA astronauts Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore from the ISS marks a significant moment for the agency. Their extended stay, originally planned for just a week, underscores the complexities and unpredictability of space missions. The astronauts, along with their colleagues, will return aboard a SpaceX Dragon capsule, further solidifying the growing partnership between NASA and commercial spaceflight entities. As NASA continues to navigate the challenges of human space exploration, the importance of research and innovation remains evident. The data gathered from experiments like those conducted by Hague and the ongoing maintenance of the ISS will inform future missions not only to the Moon through the Artemis program but also to Mars and beyond. With each passing day, the ISS stands as a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. As we look to the future, the lessons learned from current missions will be invaluable in shaping the next chapters of space exploration, ensuring that humanity remains at the forefront of discovery in the final frontier. As the space industry continues to evolve rapidly, 2 compelling stories have emerged that highlight the intersection of human endeavor, exploration, and cosmic beauty. NASA astronaut Jose Hernandez is set to deliver the keynote address at the Viva Fresh 10th anniversary event, emphasizing the importance of innovation and collaboration in the realm of agriculture and technology. Meanwhile, breathtaking images captured by astronaut Don Pettit from the International Space Station ISS showcase the stunning relationship between Earth and the cosmos, reminding us of our place in the universe. In a noteworthy announcement, Jose Hernandez, a prominent figure in NASA's astronaut corps, is preparing to inspire attendees at the Viva Fresh event, a milestone celebration for the fresh produce industry. Hernandez, who has an inspiring journey from migrant farm worker to astronaut, will discuss the technological advancements that have driven both the agricultural sector and space exploration. Dante Galizzi, CEO of the Texas International Produce Association, remarked on the significance of Hernandez's participation, highlighting his story embodies the spirit of perseverance and innovation that we celebrate at Viva Fresh. Hernandez's contributions serve as a powerful reminder of the integral role technology plays across various sectors, including agriculture, where innovation is crucial for sustainability and efficiency. As the agricultural industry faces challenges such as climate change and resource scarcity, Hernandez's insights will resonate with professionals seeking to leverage technology for transformative solutions. Simultaneously, the cosmos has captivated our attention through stunning visual artistry, particularly with the recent work of astronaut Don Pettit. On January 29, 2025, from an altitude of 265 miles above the Pacific Ocean, Pettit captured a hauntingly beautiful photograph of Earth and the Milky Way. The image, characterized by a mossy green hue against the pre-dawn darkness of Earth, showcases the galaxy in intricate detail, stretching like a luminous river across the backdrop. Pettit's expertise in astrophotography has made him a celebrated figure, and this latest capture stands as a testament to the breathtaking beauty of our universe. Pettit, who has spent considerable time aboard the ISS, utilized a camera with low-light capabilities to reveal the Milky Way during an orbital pass. His previous work includes historic photographs of Venus transiting the Sun, showcasing the intersection of art and science in space exploration. Time exposure using my orbital sidereal tracker from Dragon Crew 9 vehicle, Pettit explained in a Reddit post about his latest image. This image shows horizon views of the Milky Way atmospheric airglow aurora and the soon-to-rise Sun over a cloudy Pacific Ocean. As the ISS continues its mission of scientific research, Pettit and his fellow astronauts are also engaging in groundbreaking experiments that could have significant implications for both space exploration and life on Earth. The ongoing projects include advancements in pharmaceutical manufacturing and genetic sequencing in microgravity. Astronauts Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore, who recently made headlines for their extended stay aboard the ISS, are set to return to Earth in March, highlighting the dynamic nature of human spaceflight. As we look ahead, the inspiring narratives of Hernandez and Pettit remind us that the exploration of space not only reveals the wonders of the universe but also reflects our own human journey. With upcoming missions and advancements in technology, the future promises to be filled with groundbreaking discoveries and innovative solutions. As Hernandez shares his insights at Viva Fresh and Pettit continues to capture the cosmos, we are reminded of the boundless potential that lies ahead for humanity in both agriculture and space exploration. In a significant development for lunar exploration, NASA has announced that the proposal due date for the F.12 Artemis 4 deployed instruments program has been deferred to February 28, 2025. This decision, formalized in Amendment 90 of the Research Opportunities in Space and Earth Sciences ROSE's 2024 announcement, comes at a time when the agency is keenly focused on preparing for its upcoming crewed lunar missions, particularly the second lunar South Polar landing. The Artemis 4 mission, which aims to further humanity's return to the Moon, will involve deploying various scientific instruments on the lunar surface. NASA first opened this solicitation for proposals in November 2024, emphasizing the importance of innovative scientific instruments to enhance our understanding of the Moon's environment and resources. The delay in proposal submissions is believed to allow potential contributors additional time to refine their ideas and ensure that the instruments selected will meet the rigorous demands of lunar exploration. As part of this amendment, NASA plans to post the finalized details on its Research Opportunity homepage around January 6, 2025. Stakeholders and interested parties are encouraged to direct any inquiries regarding the program to NASA's dedicated email address for the Artemis Instruments team. This delay reflects NASA's commitment to fostering a robust selection of proposals that can contribute to the mission's scientific objectives. Meanwhile, aboard the International Space Station, ISS research continues unabated, with the Expedition 72 crew focusing on exercise and health maintenance while they await the arrival of the Progress 91 cargo spacecraft scheduled to dock on February 29, 2025. This cargo mission is crucial for sustaining the crew's health, as regular physical activity is essential for counteracting the detrimental effects of prolonged weightlessness. NASA flight engineer Nick Hague is leading research efforts to understand how microgravity affects exercise, utilizing advanced sensors to monitor his physiological responses during workouts. These findings could lead to enhanced exercise strategies that mitigate muscle atrophy, a common concern for astronauts. Such research is critical as NASA gears up for longer missions to the Moon and eventually Mars, where maintaining astronaut health will be paramount. In the broader context of scientific exploration, this week has been rich in groundbreaking research from various fields. NASA's upcoming SphereX mission aims to unravel the origins of life by mapping the cosmos in unprecedented detail. The telescope, scheduled for launch aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, will investigate the formation of galaxies and the prevalence of organic compounds throughout the universe. This mission promises to deepen our understanding of the conditions that foster life, a question that has intrigued scientists for generations. Moreover, advancements in medical research have emerged, including a promising stem cell therapy for patients suffering from severe macular degeneration. This pioneering approach has shown potential in restoring vision, offering hope to millions affected by this leading cause of blindness. As these developments unfold, they highlight the interconnectedness of space exploration and its substantial implications for life on Earth. The insights gained from lunar missions and space research could inform our understanding of health, environmental challenges, and the very essence of life itself. Looking ahead, the coming months will be pivotal for both NASA's Artemis program and ongoing research aboard the ISS. The results from these endeavors will not only enhance our capabilities for future space exploration but also contribute to advancements in technology and medicine that could benefit humanity as a whole. As NASA continues to push the boundaries of our knowledge, the world watches with anticipation for what discoveries lie ahead. In a significant leap toward unraveling the mysteries of our solar system, NASA's Europa Clipper spacecraft is set to utilize a gravity assist maneuver around Mars to propel itself toward Jupiter's enigmatic moon Europa. Launched from Kennedy Space Center in October 2024, the Clipper is embarking on a monumental 1.8 billion-mile journey aiming to arrive at Europa in April 2030. The mission is historic as it is the first dedicated to studying this icy moon, which is believed to harbor a vast subsurface ocean potentially capable of supporting extraterrestrial life. The Europa Clipper's approach to Mars on March 1 will see it swoop within 550 miles of the Martian surface, allowing for a unique opportunity to conduct additional scientific observation of the red planet using the spacecraft's radar and thermal imaging instruments. "We come in very fast and the gravity from Mars acts on the spacecraft to bend its path," explained Brett Smith, a mission systems engineer at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. This gravity assist not only conserves fuel but also expedites the spacecraft's journey to its final destination. Following the Mars flyby, the Clipper will again use Earth's gravitational pull in late 2026 to further accelerate toward Jupiter. As the scientific community focuses on Europa, new research published in Nature Communications has shed light on Mars itself, suggesting a revision of our understanding of the planet's distinctive red hue. For centuries it was believed that Mars' color was primarily due to rusted iron minerals present in its dust. However, a study led by Adam Valentinez, a postdoctoral fellow at Brown University, suggests that the planet's redness may actually stem from ferrihydrite, a type of iron oxide that requires water for its formation. This revelation implies that Mars might have experienced wet and cold conditions earlier in its history than previously thought, challenging the long-held perception of the planet as purely dry and inhospitable. In a parallel effort, a team of Chinese researchers at Harbin Institute of Technology is developing an innovative drone designed for dual-purpose exploration of Mars. This lightweight unmanned aerial vehicle, weighing just 10.6 ounces, could roll across the Martian surface or take flight using its contrarotating rotors. Xu Yimin, a PhD candidate involved in the project, noted that the drone's ability to traverse obstacles and its extended flight endurance could significantly enhance Mars exploration efforts, particularly in challenging terrains and for underground investigations. As these advancements unfold, the cosmic stage is set for a rare planetary alignment involving 7 planets, including Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. This celestial event, peaking on February 28, 2025, presents a unique opportunity for skywatchers around the globe to observe the planets aligned in a breathtaking parade. While only a few of these planets will be visible to the naked eye, the event serves as a reminder of the dynamic nature of our solar system. As NASA's Europa Clipper and various international initiatives continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, we remain on the cusp of uncovering profound insights about not just Mars and Europa, but the potential for life beyond Earth. Future missions and ongoing research promise to deepen our understanding of these celestial bodies and their histories, inviting further exploration and discovery in the coming years. In a significant week for lunar exploration, NASA's ambitious plans are taking flight with two notable spacecraft aimed at uncovering the mysteries of the Moon, particularly its water resources. The recent launches of the Lunar Trailblazer and the Athena lander mark a pivotal moment in the ongoing quest to understand the Moon's potential for future human habitation and resource utilization. On February 26, the Lunar Trailblazer, a NASA orbiter designed to map the Moon's water resources, lifted off alongside the Athena lander aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Kennedy Space Center. The Lunar Trailblazer's mission is to create a comprehensive map of water distribution across the lunar surface, particularly focusing on areas that are permanently shadowed. This information is crucial as NASA prepares to establish a sustained human presence on the Moon through its Artemis program. "The Moon is not bone dry," scientists now know, said Nicola Fox, the Associate Administrator for NASA's Science Mission Directorate. But how many drops of water will thirsty astronauts find? No one knows for sure. While the launch proceeded smoothly, the Lunar Trailblazer faced challenges shortly after entering space. NASA reported intermittent power system issues leading to a temporary loss of communication with the spacecraft. However, mission controllers at the California Institute of Technology were able to re-establish contact and are currently diagnosing the situation. If successful, Lunar Trailblazer is expected to operate for at least 2 years, gathering vital data about the Moon's surface and its water content. Complementing this mission is the Athena lander built by Intuitive Machines, which is set to land on the Moon on March 6. Athena will deploy a drill to search for water beneath the lunar surface and carry a propulsive drone, the Micronova Hopper, intended to hop into nearby craters and relay scientific data back to the lander. That's another exciting thing for us as we get more science into space with one launch, Fox noted, highlighting the efficiency of both missions sharing the same launch. As these two spacecraft prepare for their respective missions, another lunar lander, the Blue Ghost from Firefly Aerospace, is also en route to the Moon. This lander has been capturing stunning imagery of the Moon's far side and is scheduled to attempt landing on March 2. The Blue Ghost mission aims to deliver 10 scientific instruments to study the lunar environment, contributing to NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services program. The instruments will provide insights into lunar subsurface drilling, sample collection, and the effects of space weather. The concurrent missions underscore a revitalized interest in lunar exploration driven by the potential for utilizing the Moon's resources. The presence of water in particular could facilitate future human missions by providing essential supplies and enabling the production of fuel. Historically viewed as a barren landscape, the Moon is now recognized as a potential stepping stone for future Mars missions, as NASA envisions the Moon as a crucial pit stop in preparing astronauts for interplanetary travel. As these missions unfold, researchers remain hopeful that the data collected will enhance our understanding of lunar water distribution and its implications for sustainable human presence on the Moon. With the launch of the Artemis program, the return to the lunar surface is not just a goal but a necessity for advancing human exploration of the solar system. The coming months will reveal not only the success of these missions but also the new frontiers they will open in our understanding of the Moon and beyond.